Hey Linkers, so if you're looking for Mr. Bowwow that got stolen from this old lady, which is the chain chomp that tries to attack you in the beginning of the game, the moblins took him. To get to him, you have to go where the witch is in the prairie. So you can see this heart container. I'm sure you remember where this area is. Once you beat the first dungeon, you can hop over, and then you can. Yes, sweetie, Daddy's explaining a video. Don't worry, just 1 second. So once you just up to the right here, you can see this is where they're hiding them in the moblin camp. So you go through the moblin camp, you beat up some of these baddies, and I'll let you watch me do it. But the chain chomp is in here, and then you can use that chain chomp for the next dungeon, and to help you out with certain things. So don't give it back to the old lady right away, because he is quite useful. Anyways, but that's how you do it. If this video helped you, please like it, and please don't subscribe to me.